In this video, I will show you how to reset Samsung Smart TV to factory settings. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers. When you are having a problem with your TV, smart monitor, or gaming monitor, you may want to just do a factory reset and start over again. The good news is that even though this is possible, it may not be necessary. Your TV also has several self-diagnosis and built-in that can help you resolve the problem. And to be able to factory reset your TV, here are the complete steps. So open settings and then select general and privacy. So from there, select reset, enter your PIN, and then select reset. And to complete the reset, select OK and your TV will restart automatically. Now, if these steps don't match your TV, navigate to settings and then select support and then select self-diagnosis, and reset will be located in that menu. You can also check the user manual of your TV for exact instructions for your TV model. The reset function is not available if you're using an app like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, or more. And that is how you can basically reset Samsung Smart TV to factory settings. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.